Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two remote access platform, which is Realvnc Connect and Beyondtrust. So to get started with a quick analysis, help you decide which of these platform would be best access for you. So to get started, Realvnc Connect offer a secured and a security remote access available for individual small business. It provides features like end-to-end encryption, multi-factor authentication, and a unified server together with the Vivo application. The recent version 8 update introduced advanced help desk such as a real-time annotation and a section and overs, and together with enhancing IT support capabilities. Realvnc Connect is ideal for those seeking a straightforward remote access without extensive IT infrastructure requirement. Then talking about Beyondtrust, on the other hand, is tailored for enterprise require robust security, a comprehensive remote support features. The latest version, which is the 2.5.1 version, emphasizes enhanced security, stability, and also performance. It offers advanced section management, privileged access control, and integration with other IT management tools. Beyondtrust is well suited for organizations needing a secure remote access to to crucial systems and compliance with a stringent security standard. And here's a very conclusion about this. You can also go with the Realvnc Connect for a secure, user-friendly remote access with a suitability for individual and small business. And you can opt in for Beyondtrust if your organization require advanced security features and a comprehensive remote support capabilities. And that's it.